General Motors winning a legal battle to avoid death and injury claims from crashes that happened before it emerged from bankruptcy. General Motors is accused of concealing an ignition switch defect in older models that later led to a massive recall. The court decision shields the company from billions of dollars in potential liabilities from lawsuits. Heather Hansen joins us, defense attorney. Robert Bianchi joins us, a criminal defense attorney and former prosecutor. Robert, when I was in law school, I was taught that the debtor who is engaged in fraudulent activity should not be rewarded with bankruptcy protection. Isn't that what General Motors has been given here? And if they conceal the ignition switch problem, isn't that fraud? Why should they get the benefits of bankruptcy?
Yeah, this is really disturbing to me, and I agree completely. I mean, had these individuals known about this issue, and many of them have been catastrophically injured and or died, and had they been on notice, or had they known, or had it not been hidden by the company, then they would have had a legitimate claim. But it was hidden, and the defect wasn't known to them. And now this judge has essentially said, we're not going to allow you to bring those claims, which I find to be unbelievable because they couldn't demonstrate any prejudice to those individuals. And I say the prejudice is they were injured, it was hidden, the company knew about this problem and defect and did nothing about it.
Well, that's the major issue here, is that the judge said that there was no fraud, that as of 2009, as of the time of the bankruptcy, that they did not know. Now, we will find out more about that. Depositions in the cases that are allowed going forward start in May. The CEO of the company will be deposed in October. And if we learn more evidence that there was in fact fraud, there may be a redo of this particular decision.
Right. I want to move to something that everybody seems to be talking about this morning. Big headlines in the New York Daily News. Sofia Vergara's ex-fiancé files lawsuit to save their embryos. Two cryopreserved female embryos created through in vitro fertilization. All right, this is sort of right up your alley. You have a practice that deals with this kind of thing. Heather, what do you think of this?
I think it's a very, very sensitive topic, because it's his position that these are his children. These are fertilized eggs. If you believe life starts at conception, then you've got a strong argument that
which he says he does.
Absolutely. At the same time, the law is against him. The law says first you look to, if the parties agree, great, no problem. If the parties disagree, you look to documentation. This is where the fertility clinic has a problem, Greg, because they did not make sure that they documented what would happen if this couple separates. So now we don't know the answer to that. The final step is to look to what they want now, and they don't push parenthood on someone who doesn't want it.
Now, the lawsuit also makes some other very incendiary claims, which, I was suspicious of until the commercial break, and you were telling me this is very relevant. Let's put it up on the screen. And the allegations, he says that she punched him in the face on 2 occasions, kicked him through her phone at his head, bullied him, calling him a loser, worthless, and other degrading names. Is that relevant or irrelevant, Robert?
Yeah, I think it's relevant. What that is going to is that when they signed this agreement about what would happen, that he was being forced, that in the case of his death, that he would allow the embryos to be destroyed. But what's very clear, and kind of what Heather alluded to, is that California law requires that they put in there what happens if you separate, and they didn't. And I say like Solomon when he talked about splitting the baby. If she doesn't want it and she wants it discarded, it's property, if you will. I hate to use that term. It is an actual life, and he wants it. It should go to him. He has an absolute right to have an investment in this embryo, and if she wants it discarded, he wants it, just like property that they would have in a divorce.
Heather,
he should be able to get it.
Very quick.
Unfortunately, that's not how the courts decided. I agree with you, but they say since it's property and she doesn't want to be a parent, we can't make her be a parent.
Well, she doesn't have to, because then he could use it with somebody else.
All right, got to go. Heather Hansen, Robert Bianchi, thank you both for being with us. Good to see you.
Thanks, Greg.
Martha?